students, today I am going to explain about band reject filter. Band reject filter is a parallel combination of high pass filter and low pass filter. If you are connecting high pass filter and low pass filter are in series connection, that is known as band pass filter. If you are connecting in parallel combination, that is known as band reject filter. Band reject filter or band stop filter. It can be either narrow band or wide band reject filter. Means these two are the types of band reject filters. Narrow band reject filter is also known as notch filter, and it is useful for the rejection of single frequency only. There are several methods to make notch filter. One simple technique is to subtract the band pass filter output from input. Here this is the diagram for the notch filter. Here input is given to that band pass filter, and that output means band pass filter output can be subtracted from given input, then we'll get band reject filter. So here band reject filter which allows only before that high cutoff frequency signals, means before that low cutoff frequency signals, and after that high cutoff frequency signals. Here this is the practical diagram for notch filter. Here this is that input and this is for output of band pass filter, and this is summer, and here we output of S. Here we are subtracting output from band pass output from input, that is known as notch filter or band reject filter. Output of the circuit in S domain is V output of S is equals to A naught into Vi plus minus A naught into alpha into omega naught S by S square plus alpha into omega naught S plus omega naught square into V input of S. So here the output is in the form of inverting. Why? Because here the band pass filter we are giving input to that inverting terminal. That's why it is in inverting format. From that equation, V output of S by V input of S is equals to A naught into S square plus omega naught square by S square plus omega naught square plus alpha into omega naught S. Notch filter in op-amp configuration. This is that band pass filter. Already we known about that, and it is summer. So here we are giving input to that, initially giving input to that band pass filter following summer. Means here the output of band pass filter, means for example here V0 is there, that V0 minus Vi is that output for the notch filter. This is another notch filter in 20 notch filter. This is that circuit diagram. These two are connected in T notch connection, means it is connected in, it's like a T shape. So for this circuit we are applying nodal analysis. At node A, Va minus Vi into Sc plus Va minus Vp, means here Vp is V0. So Va minus V0 into Sc plus Va minus K into V0 by R by 2. Here K is equals to voltage across R by 2, voltage divider rule. So here K is equals to R2 by R1 plus R2 into V0. Okay, now voltage at this point is voltage across R2 resistance. Voltage across R2 into entering voltage is V0 by total resistance R1 plus R2. That let it be K is equals to R2 by R1 plus R2 into V0. From that common Va here. Va is common, Sc plus 2G into Sc into Vi plus Sc into V0 plus 2GK V0. So here G is equals to 1 by R. For simplification purpose we are taking 1 by R is equals to G. From that final equation from initial equation, that is 2 Va into Sc plus G is equals to Sc into Vi plus V0 into Sc plus 2GK. Similarly apply nodal analysis at node B. So here Vb minus Vi into G. G is equals to what here? 1 by R. Okay, here initially VB minus VI by R. 1 by R in sense G. So here VB minus VI into G plus VB minus V naught. Here VP is equals to V naught. So VB minus V naught into 1 by R. 1 by R equals to G. That's why it is G is equals to VB minus K into V naught into 2 SC. So here K is equals to voltage at this point. That is K is equals to R2 by R1 plus R2 into V naught. And similarly apply nodal analysis at node P. Here Vp is equals to what? V naught. So V naught minus Va into SC plus Vp minus Vb into 1 by R. 1 by R in sense G. That is, let it be the equation number 3. At node A, equation number 1. At node B, equation 2. At node P, equation number 3. By solving those 3 equations, we will get V output by V input is equals to G square plus SC square by G square plus S square C square plus 4 into 1 minus K into S G C. So common C square term in upper and lower. From that we will get this equation and put S is equals to J omega there. And here consider omega naught is equals to G by C. Consider omega naught is equals to G by C. Here G is equals to what? 1 by R. From that omega naught is equals to 1 by R into C. So here minus omega square plus omega naught square minus omega square plus omega naught square plus 4 into 1 minus K into J omega into G by C in sense omega naught. From that omega square minus omega naught square by omega square minus omega naught square minus 4 into J into 1 minus K into omega naught. Here omega naught is equals to central frequency, that is 2 pi RC. Here gain is equals to unity for, if you are substituting these two are equal, at that case the frequency will be 0. The gain will be 0. If you are taking omega is greater than omega naught or omega is less than omega naught, so at that case the gain may be unity. If these two frequencies are equal, that gain is 0. So here the equation is in the form of ax square plus ax square plus bx plus c. What is the root? So if for example equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So roots are x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. From that we are calculating FH and FL. So that is equals to F naught into square root of 1 plus 4 into 1 minus K square is equals to 1 plus 4 into 1 minus K square plus 2 into 1 minus K. By solving this quadrature equation we will get high cutoff frequency and low cutoff frequency. These two are that, one is high cutoff frequency and second one is that low cutoff frequency. Here the bandwidth is equals to formula high cutoff minus low cutoff frequency. Then we'll get 4 into 1 minus K into F naught. Here the quality factor Q equals to F naught by bandwidth. Here bandwidth is this one and F naught get cancelled. So quality factor is equals to Q equals to 1 by 4 into 1 minus K.